In this section, we will talk about the molecules involved in interactions between T cell and antigen-presenting cells. Several adhesion and accessory molecules promote the interaction of T cells with antigen-presenting cells, such as B cells, dendritic cells, and monocytes. First is the interaction of T cell and dendritic cell. T cell has CD3 complex. There is interaction of T cell receptor of T cell and CD8 or CD4 with MHC1 and MHC2. Leukocyte function-associated antigen 1 or LFA1, also called as CD11A or CD18. It is a ubiquitin antigen that binds to intercellular adhesion molecule 1 or ICAM1 or CD54. CD2 binds leukocyte function-associated antigen 3 or LFA3 or CD58. It is a glycoprotein which is expressed on endothelial cells, epithelial cells, and connective tissue. CD40 and CD40 ligand interaction produce survival signals to germinal center B cells and induce dendritic cells to mature and produce large quantity of interleukin-12. The interaction of T cell molecule CD28 and CTLA4 or CD152 with CD80 or CD86 on antigen-presenting cells has a stimulatory effect, whereas interaction of CD152 or cytotoxic T lymphocytes antigen 4 or CTLA4 with CD80 or CD86 has an inhibitory effect. In case of adhesion of B cell and T cell, similarly as in T cell and dendritic cell interaction, interaction of CD40 and CD40 ligand occurs. Leukocyte function-associated antigen 1 or LFA1, also called as CD11A or CD18. It interacts with CD54 or ICAM1 and CD2 interactions with leukocyte function-associated antigen 3 or LFA3 or CD58. The adhesion of B cells and T cells is further stabilized by interaction of 106 antigen, or also called as vascular cell interaction molecular or VCAM1, which is also expressed on endothelial cells with the CD49D antigen, also called as very late antigen or VLA4 on activated T cells. The interaction of T cell molecule CD28 with CD80 or CD86 on antigen-presenting cells has a stimulatory effect, whereas interaction of CD152 or cytotoxic T lymphocytes antigen 4 or CTLA4 with CD80 or CD86 has an inhibitory effect. MHC1 or MHC2 binds T cell receptor. CD3 complex is also present in T cell, in addition to other interactions. There is interaction of inducible T cell co-stimulator or ICOS with inducible T cell co-stimulator ligand or ICOSL, but under certain conditions that will be explained later in this video. This was all about molecules involved in interaction between T cells and B cells. In our next section, we will discuss several signals needed for T cell activation.